What you doing?
Amazed.
Wait. Before we do that, you gotta tell me what you're doing.
I'm doing amazed.
What is this book?
Let's count 1 to 10.
Is it a math book?
Yeah.
You love doing it. Can you tell me what the date is today?
June 30th.
How do you know? Did you write it somewhere?
In these boxes.
Wow, did you do that all by yourself?
Yes, I did.
That's great.
I want to sing myself talk.
Okay, but it's June 30th, but is there June 31st or is it a new month tomorrow?
New month.
Do you know what month it's going to be tomorrow?
I don't know.
What comes after June?
July. Can I see myself talk?
Yeah, but after I take the video, I'll let you see yourself talk, okay? All right, let's do the maze. So, can you read this for me? What's the directions?
Draw a line from pink arrow to blue arrow by choosing which number is greater at each split in the path.
Okay. Which word in that sentence is important for you to remember? What did you circle?
Greater.
Greater. So you're looking for something bigger or smaller? What is
Bigger.
Yeah, bigger. Okay, so do you see where the pig is? You started this part? And look, he has to go down a path. Should he go down 3 or 2? Which one is greater?
3.
You got it already. Okay, keep going down the path.
Oh no, there's another problem.
Is there another split in the path?
Yes.
Okay, which number is?
5.
What?
5.
5 is what?
Greater.
Then?
3.
You're right. Good job. Keep going. Tell me when there's another split in the path.
There's another split in the path.
Okay, what do you need to figure out?
7.
Is?
Greater than 4.
Good job.
Is there another split?
Mm-hmm. Which way should you go?
What if we go 6?
Is 6 greater?
Nope. What if we go 6?
You might end up in the water, right?
But I love to swim.
You do? Okay, you go whichever way you want to go. Which way do you think you're supposed to go to finish the map, the maze? What number is greater?
8.
Yep.
Oh no, there's another split in the path.
What number should you choose?
9.
Because 9 is?
Greater than 8.
Oh. Okay, I'm done, Mom.
I'm done, Mom. Good job, sticker.
Yeah, let's get a good job sticker.